Okay, the sample I originally was going with should look something like this, and although there is some minor deformity on this one, it came out reasonably well, but unfortunately that is the exception to the rule. After attempting to do the changes that were requested of me, I did attempt to lower it one as well as raise just to see what happened, and of course, we get a negative there. Then I moved it back up a quarter turn and then a little bit more, and as you can see, all of these samples come out with the same lift. Now, I have seen some evidence that was happening elsewhere, so I went ahead and pulled a sample off of the Thingiverse, and that would be, this is supposed to be a mic stand, and I centered this one in the middle of the stage, and I'm using the left extruder because the right extruder is starting to exhibit some odd behavior. But again, it was starting to print, the sides pulled up, and the unit started just pulling this right off, and it became a mess. Now, as you can see in here, it does lay down the strip, and the strip, the primer strip, does stick. I mean, we are seeing that where it stays. So this is the Markerbot issue continues, where either it's not continuously heating through the stage or it's not uniformly heating through the stage. My guess is maybe the driver circuits for the thermal are misbehaving. But in any case, this is the results I'm getting. This is right off of Thingiverse. It's a microphone stand. And let's say these are just very simple cup shapes. And we're seeing the same problem. I mean, even here you can see with the raft gets pulled up. So just to make sure I didn't misunderstand, I did go the other direction, and obviously that doesn't work. But we're not going to count that because that was just a shot in the dark. However, this sample should, as you can see when you look really closely at it, it is starting to do it's doing the pattern like it should. But obviously this pulled up, and what bothers me more is this pulled up at both corners, and there's evidence it pulled up at all three corners. The stage has been replaced, and there's new kapton tape on there. So please let me know what you think.